Hello everybody, my name's David.
And I'm Brittany.
And welcome back to our van life. So, this is week 2 of us being in the van. Boy, do we have some updates.
LOL.
So, alright, so some things happened. I'm going to show you a clip now of us getting everything out of the van. Okay guys, so we're packing up all the extra stuff in the vehicle, like all our bags and everything that was hanging out. You know, everything's in dressers now, stuff like that. It's gonna be, all this is gonna be gone. We're taking it out and putting it in my car, and we're spending the day, going and doing stuff while Uncle Steven puts in the floor, the roof, and gets everything going. Are you excited?
For what?
For what's going on today?
Yeah, it's
For
great.
getting all this finally done?
It's been a while. Yeah, so definitely excited, and it's nice that Uncle Steven's doing most of the work for us so we can enjoy our day.
Yeah, I hope to introduce you guys to him very soon. But anyways, yeah, so that's what's happening right now. Now, when we got everything out of the van, Uncle Steven.
Yes, that's what he goes by.
That's what he goes by, Uncle Steven. We haven't really introduced him yet, but he is a unique character, to say the least. But we trusted him with renovating this van. And so we were taking things out for the past 3 days.
Yes, he told us he's an interior designer and this is what he specializes in. And so he basically offered his services and help for free.
Which was like, dope. All right, cool. So 3 days go by.
Nothing gets done.
Nothing gets done. If anything, he's tearing more stuff out of the van, which sucks. So after those couple days, we were like, man, we don't want to be stuck in this parking lot much more.
Yeah, we wanted to go to Forks.
We want to go to Forks, Washington.
We'd already been here longer than we wanted to.
Yeah, 2 weeks in a parking lot's a little bit more than we were expecting.
Definitely.
But, yeah, so we decided at one point to start coming in and helping. So we started putting in insulation. We started putting in the cork along the walls. And then, so now it's relatively more done. I'll show a clip of that so you guys can see how much more done it is. That's a fun update. We're a little upset that it's not more done. The ceiling's not done. The floor's not done.
Yeah, it was difficult because he wasn't really telling us what was the next task that we had to do or really communicating with us on what was going on.
Communication, guys. Communication is key. And he literally told us, don't talk to me, which is red flag we should have noticed. But
yeah.
Along with that, we also went in and did our second sewage dump. Woo! I got a picture for that. I posted it on my Instagram.
We did it much better that time.
Very
Instead
fast,
of
quick.
Me holding on to it, I had my foot on it.
Yeah, we took some of your advice, so we actually put our foot on the tube, so we didn't have to use our hands. We were so much more efficient on this one.
Definitely a lot quicker, and we also found out that we had some fluid that I guess coats the smell.
Yes, it's like a tank deodorant, which we put in there too.
Yeah.
Hopefully we did that right. What we did, so again, if we didn't do it right, tell us. What we did is we poured a little bit of a concentrate into the sewage dump, like the toilet, basically. We had a little bit of water running through it first, and then we filled it up. I closed it off, filled it up with the water and the detergent, and then we let it drain out. And then we let it drain out once it was like pretty full. So hopefully we did it right, but that's what we did. It worked out. Another update, we switched parking lot stations.
Oh yeah, we had to move spots.
We had to move from the Chinese, we were in front of a Chinese place by the Fred Meyer, and then we moved in front of the Fred Meyer. And then that same day, Brian, his name's Brian, the manager of Fred Meyer came out and told us we have to leave the next day.
Yeah, that was surprising.
It was
I wasn't expecting
right
them to
away
be on it that quickly.
Yeah, they were definitely, I wouldn't say rude, but definitely, but they assumed the worst, I could tell.
Like we're homeless or
Yeah, they just thought we were like,
yeah.
oh, trash, like druggies or whatever.
Because there's a lot of that stuff going on.
There's a lot of that going on here, so it's understood.
Yeah.
But the thing is, like, there's a lot of people sleeping in their cars, a lot of people sleeping in their vans on that same parking lot. They just targeted our mobile home, which sucks. Yeah,
because there's plenty of other cars who do it too.
Yeah, so maybe what we need to do is get the exterior
looking
done.
Nice.
Yeah. So if you guys want to donate towards the exterior, let us know. We would love to get it painted. Seriously.
Paint it tan.
Was it like a desert,
like
a desert
like
nude?
Purse.
Like her purse. You can't see it, but like her purse. We're gonna put the United States on the side of it, and then check off every state that we hit. And we would also love to, if we run into some artists on the way, like from you guys, for you guys to put on a little design on the outside of the vehicle as well, so that it becomes a little bit more custom, a little bit more with you guys. And yeah, but now we are in another parking lot, scooted over in front of a reserve next to the Fred Meyer for tonight.
Yeah.
Hopefully we're only here another 2 nights.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. We'll see. Steven works kind of slow.
Steven works very slow. He did a lot of work today. It's a lot of tedious work. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is a lot. He had to carve out a lot of the insulation already, and then put in a new layer of insulation, and then had to put cork over it as well. And now there's a bunch of tacks holding up the cork, which you'll probably see in the video. Where are we going after this?
To Forks.
We're going
definitely.
to Forks. We're going to La
need
Push.
A little vacay, just you and me,
Yes.
and being in nature and relaxing and being plugged in.
Yep. Yeah, but if you guys are watching this and you're in Washington, or you know anybody in Washington who follows our journey, let us know in the comments below what places would be good for meetups to get to see you guys.
Yeah, it's a
Like,
good question.
would it be a restaurant? Would you guys like to do something? Meet at a park? Just let us know. We would love to incorporate you guys and be there with you.
Definitely. We want to connect with you guys, get to know you guys better.
Yeah.
But things are finally starting to come together.
Finally.
So we can see the light at the end of the tunnel, but yes, things are definitely challenging on both ends.
Yeah, so one thing we're going to be launching, for those of you who made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. We're going to be making a little bit of a list of things that we need and things that we're going to be doing to the van. For those of you who do want to support and help make this possible, I have my PayPal linked in my bio on Instagram, which is @TheBeardedViking, and hers is _FitPrincess. We'll get her a link here in the future, but the link is on mine as well. If you want to donate to the van at all, or for any of the items which we're going to be releasing very soon, donate via PayPal with the friends and family option, because if you don't use friends and family, it double taxes me, which is lame. Lame. So if you guys want to support and you want to help out with the van, donate via my PayPal, or I also have my Venmo linked in my bio as well. Every little bit is going to go towards keeping us going.
Yes.
So anything you can to help, if you would like. Again, it's not obligated, but always appreciated.
Definitely. Yeah, we definitely appreciate it, because I mean, we both work online and that's our main way of making money, and we only have so much money, and we definitely want to make
into this.
this, somewhat cozy for us, especially since it's small and we're going to be here living in this thing probably at least for about a year.
And the more comfortable this is, the better work we can do.
Yes.
So yeah, that'll be available very soon. And again, thank you guys for watching this video.
Thank
think
you
that's
for
all
all
we've
your
got.
support.
Yeah, seriously, we couldn't do it without you. So much love. We'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next one.
Bye, guys.